Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the mechanical volume in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on this clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and selecting settings. From here select audio. Look for mechanical volume. On this gauge you can adjust this volume between 0 and 100%, with the default being 75. I will set it to 0. Now I will explain what does it actually affect. This affects all mechanical sounds, so pistons, engines, stuff like that. And this adjusts its volume. Once you are done, hit apply and close. Then hit return to the game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.